Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you some really simple DIY ideas with essential oils for your home and for yourself. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thanks again for stopping in. It's the new year and I've been trying to make some healthy changes this year for myself and for my home. I've been trying to move more, and I might talk about that later, or you might have seen that kind of on my Instagram stories. And I've been trying to eat more vegetables and more healthier whole foods. And I've also been starting to use essential oils in my home and for myself. I used to really be interested in them back before I had kids, when I had a lot more time to kind of make my own skincare products and test things like that out. I haven't really had the time to use them lately, but yeah, just this year I've been getting back into them, and I bought a bunch and I'm trying them out and I've been really enjoying them. I am a huge smell person. I really love smells and they really do so much for me, I find. So if you are also really into aromatherapy and find that it really enriches your life and helps you feel calm or feel refreshed, or just kind of adds that wonderful mood to your home, these DIYs are for you. I got the essential oil starter kit from Young Living, so I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to try one of those out too. It's actually a really great deal for what you get. So let me show you some really simple DIYs that you can make with these essential oils. Let's get started.
This first DIY is personal roller bottles with essential oils in them that you can dab on your temples or your wrists if you need some therapy. So I made these labels with my Cricut machine and some gold foil vinyl and put them on these really pretty green bottles that I found on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to make these yourself. So for the first Energize bottle, I'm putting some drops of peppermint essential oil, so about 10 drops of essential oil in the bottle, and then I'm topping the bottle off with fractionated coconut oil. I found both these roller bottles and the coconut oil on Amazon, and I'll leave a link to those in the description box below as well. Then just pop on the roller bottle tops just like this and screw on the pretty gold lid, and you can just keep these in your purse when you need some aromatherapy. So I used Young Living's RC for my little breathe bottle and Young Living's lavender for my relax bottle. And you can just dab these on your wrists or temples or wherever when you need a little bit of aromatherapy during the day. The next one is some refreshing room spray. So I just recycled a glass bottle that I already had, and again I put a vinyl label on the bottle that says refresh. Then just open up the top of the bottle, and I'm using some lemon essential oil, so about 5 drops of that, and I'm also using some lavender, so 5 drops of that. I definitely use lavender essential oil in lots of things because it's my favorite. Then I'm using some witch hazel and putting about 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of witch hazel into the mixture. This kind of keeps the essential oils mixed up in the water. I'm adding some filtered water and I'm filling up the rest of the bottle with that. Then put the spray top back on and give everything a nice good shake, and you can just spray that in your room when you want a nice refreshing scent. The final DIY I want to show you is some scented essential oil Epsom salts for your bath. So I just got a small mason jar and used another label I made with my Cricut and put it on the mason jar. Open up the mason jar and just throw in some unscented Epsom salts. Next, put about 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil into the jar. I'm using lavender, and then just mix it all up with a spoon. Pop that lid back on and you have some really delicious smelling Epsom salts for your next relaxing bath.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found those essential oil DIYs interesting. Let me know in the comments below if you've used essential oils and what you think of them. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already for more DIY and home decor ideas. Thanks guys, see you next time.